Hey Big Shots! When first optimizing your YouTube channel, a lot of entrepreneurs will typically overlook or just type a few things into their YouTube About Me section, thinking that no one will actually ever look in this section unless they click on it. Wrong. What most entrepreneurs don't take into consideration is how it actually can affect you getting subscribers. In today's video, I'm going to show you what you should include in your YouTube About Me section. Hey Big Shots, my name is Daniel Ford and I help like-minded entrepreneurs grow their business online using YouTube. Be sure to subscribe down below so you can be notified every time I release a new video. So why does your YouTube About Me page even matter? One thing to really consider is your YouTube About Me page affects two key factors on your channel. The first key factor it affects is probably quite obvious, and that is that people actually coming to look at your About Me page to see what your channel is all about. Telling your audience who you are and what value you provide in the first few sentences is key. In my instance, I am targeting entrepreneurs, and the value I'm going to provide to them is helping them grow their business online using YouTube. The other key factor that it affects that most online businesses forget about is that it helps rank your channel. If someone types on YouTube, grow my business with YouTube, and then they go to the filters and click channel, whose channel will actually pop up in the search results first? Probably not yours if you haven't taken the time to curate your YouTube About Me page. So to actually combat this and to get your channel to #1, you can do this. Put relevant tags in your About Me page. You can do this by using a free Chrome extension, Keywords Everywhere, to discover what words people are actually searching for every month in your specific niche. Just type in your word and it'll populate a list right below your video of what keywords your audience is searching for every month. I would really consider choosing relevant keywords that form sentences in your About Me section. Inserting the tags in grammatical ways into your channel will allow your channel to rank easier, just like your videos that you do. So Big Shots, comment down below what else you think needs to be included in a YouTube About Me page. While you're optimizing your YouTube About Me page, you might as well optimize the rest of your channel. So be sure to watch these two videos, which I've included in my YouTube optimization series. There's a link in the description for them as well if you'd like to see that rest of that series. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so down below. See you guys next time, Big Shots.